Hey, 6th grade, Dr. Clark here. Today we're talking about an activity, explore activity called Where is the Water? So you can see here, this is a very large graduated cylinder, and this represents, it is 1,000 milliliters, and it represents all of the water on Earth. So if that's all of the water on Earth, we've got to take that water and we've got to divide it up into its proportions of where that water is on Earth, because this is called Where is the Water? So we have to take the 1,000 milliliters of water, and we're going to put 30 milliliters into the smaller beaker. Okay. And I got a little bit too much, so we'll pour some back. Right, so now we don't have all the water on Earth. We had 1,000 milliliters. We subtracted 30 milliliters. That leaves us with 970 milliliters. So that's 97%. So 97% of all the water on Earth, and you can see it's barely made a difference in the top here. You can barely tell that you poured any out. Is 97% salt water. So we have 30%. So this 30% now represents all of the fresh water on Earth. Now we've got to take that fresh water and we've got to further divide it down into where it is located. So we take all the fresh water on Earth, and we have 30 milliliters, and we're going to take one of our smaller and that's 10 plus 9 more, and got a little bit too much. Okay, 10 plus 9 more, that's glaciers. It's frozen. It's not available for use. So that leaves us with this much of our available water. But we have to further divide that down. And we have to take 9 more milliliters. Oh, put 10 in there by accident. Okay, there's 9, and this 9 milliliters represents groundwater. So you see we have a teeny tiny bit down in the bottom. You see it splashing around down there in the bottom of our 30 milliliter, all the fresh water on Earth. So this glaciers represents 2% of the total water, or 63% of fresh water. So 63% of the fresh water that we had available is frozen, and we can't use it. Now this groundwater was 9 milliliters, so it's gone. So that leaves us with just a little bit of water left in here. And 2 milliliters represents lakes, ponds, rivers, streams, swamps, the atmosphere, and ground ice. So we're going to take, we'll put 1 milliliter in this one, and 1 milliliter in this one, and our 30 milliliters is now gone. So the 2 milliliters, so the lakes, ponds, rivers, streams, and swamps represent 0.1% to 0.2% of all the available water on Earth. So now you have some questions to answer. And put these back here. You have some questions to answer about where the Earth's water is. You can pause the video. You can watch the video as many times as you need to in order to find the answers.